So this is a simple, sweet, and tasty shrimp fry that goes well over plain rice. Goodness in every bite. Let's cook. The heart of the recipe is fresh ginger root, about an inch. I usually like to mince ginger so there are tiny chunks of flavor everywhere, but let's grate it this time. I secretly hate graters, always worried about getting my fingers too close. In a pinch, powdered ginger will be fine, and it certainly keeps longer than fresh ginger root. So now, let's make a marinade for the shrimp. A third cup of soy sauce, plain grocery store variety. Unless it's low sodium, it'll be salty enough. Add half the grated ginger, a third cup of sugar. Okay. This is almost a 1 pound bag of frozen, peeled, and cleaned shrimp. Add that to the marinade and let it sit for 10 minutes, but less if you're in a hurry. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Four cloves of garlic is a bit much, but oh, does it taste great. I'm going to put that into my garlic press rather than mince it. Okay. Marinating time is up. Get the deep frying pan hot, add some oil, and get the garlic sautéing. Add the remaining grated ginger. It's starting to smell amazing. The celery is optional, but it adds a great taste and a bit of crunch. Chop that up into pieces. And add to the pan. Sesame oil for a wonderful flavor hit. And now, add the shrimp. Stir and fry for about 4 minutes till they're starting to get pink. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to the marinade for thickening. If it gets lumpy, beat it with a fork. Add the marinade to the pan. Another minute, stirring often. taste test, mainly to see if I need salt. It's good. Serve it over plain rice. Garnish with sesame seeds. And enjoy. That was amazing. Ingredients: 1 pound of shrimp, 4 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger root, 1 stalk of celery, a third cup of soy sauce, a third cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 tablespoon flour. Garnish with sesame seeds.